everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something a little bit different than my normal vlogs. I decided to time-lapse a puzzle that me and my mom did. It is Selfies by Seiko brand, and this was 550 pieces. So me and my mom have been doing puzzles a little bit over a year now, and it's one of our favorite activities to do together. And with social distancing right now, with the coronavirus going around, we have been doing an excessive amount now. So I'm going to include a few pictures here of some puzzles that we have done over the past year. So you can actually follow our puzzle Instagram, which I'll have down here somewhere. Is called Puzzling Through Life, and we've been posting puzzles for a couple of months now, and it's just something that we both really enjoy doing together. And I thought that it would be a good idea to actually time-lapse one for you guys. I know that puzzles have actually become super popular now because of social distancing and everything, so I thought I would share one of ours, and in there I have some tips on what we do to get puzzles done quicker. You'll see that we use like the bowls for sorting and everything. If you guys want me to actually do a full video on, some easier ways to do jigsaw puzzles, I'd be more than happy to. But I hope you guys enjoyed this because we really enjoy doing the time lapse and filming it and everything. So without further ado, let's get started with the time lapse. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you hit that like button so I know that you did. I definitely want to do a few more of these because I really enjoyed it. And my mom did. We enjoyed watching it back and everything. So yeah, make sure that you hit that subscribe button also so you stay updated on everything that we're doing during this tough, difficult quarantine time. And I will talk to you guys in next week's video. Bye!